Today is another unboxing day. I would like to fix this locker, two-tier locker and a drawer. Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to construct another two-tier locker. This time around there's a drawer on top of it. It is a two-door locker with a drawer. So I start by unwrapping it, remove all the woods, assemble them very well. Then I move over to the nuts and screws, arrange them very well, put the hinges together, put the nuts together, the pins, the nails, the hinges. I put everything together. Then I look for my set of screwdrivers, also look at the manual to make sure that everything is in the right quantity that they said in the manual. Count the hinges, count the nuts to be in the manual. Then I read the manual, making sure that all the steps are rightly followed. Look at the right way to assemble it. Sometimes the doors might be in the wrong order. I make sure I first of all arrange them on the floor before I raise them and put them together. First of all, I start with fixing the panel on the side of the locker. This will form the base on which the drawer will slide on. I make sure that the screws are well tightened, well fitted, everything well aligned. So at the end of the day, you don't have the locker that is slightly open. You have to make sure everything is well fitted. When you push in the drawer, it is well fitted and well closed. I put the frame together, assemble all the woods together, making sure that I get the frame to be very solid. Before I start fixing the doors and also fixing the top slab and the inlays. channel, I make sure that it's well screwed to the side of the board and it is on the right side, it is on the right direction, using the right nuts. After tightening the nuts, fixing it on the both sides, I make sure that it is well laid, well fixed. Make sure that they are well fixed. If they're not well fixed, you won't be able to put the inlays. It will not be properly fitted. The lower part of the locker has to be well protected. There are screws there that you need to put on the base to make sure that it is a bit elevated in case there's flooding in the house, there's water leakage somewhere. It won't directly affect the locker. You screw the nuts, then fix the plastic cover so that even if there is flooding, it doesn't affect the wood. Because when you look at this, it is plywood. When there is something like a flooding in the house, it might end up destroying the wood and making it to collapse easily. Before you know it, everything will go down, will just crumble. Last will be to fix the doors, making sure that the doors are well and nicely put together, well fitted, on the right direction. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you learned one or two things from this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn your notification bell on. That way I will see you in my next video. Thank you.